everybody, and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee. I hope that everyone is ready for the Christmas and holiday season that is upon us. Today I'm going to share with you my Christmas pork loin, brown rice with chorizo and corn. I know that many Puerto Rican families during the Christmas season often eat arroz con gandules and pernil, but my Christmas pork is not to replace that. This is just a different version to eat pork. However, you do get the Latin flavors in there. Also, you'll see that I took a little shortcut with the minute brown rice. Brown rice is my favorite rice. My second one is jasmine rice because they're so fragrant. But again, use whichever rice you want. I just wanted to cut the time in half. As always, add your own touches to it. Add your ingredients, change it up, making your own. But again, this is just one of my other versions. I hope you guys all enjoy and remember to share. Thanks so much.